Hey guys, Super Beast here, and today we are going to be playing Pokemon Ruby on the phone. So it's like this DS thing. Let's get right into it. Okay, my name is Bert, but everyone calls me the Pokemon Professor. This is what we call a Pokemon. Is it Azu? This world is widely inhabited by creatures known as Pokemon. Humans lived alongside Pokemon, at times as friendly playmates, and at times a compatible workmate. I don't care. I don't care. Okay, hurry up, Bert. No one cares. Who are you? Are you a boy or a girl? I am a boy. Alright, what is your name? My name is A. What time was that? Almost Aiden. That's my name. So it's Aiden, yes. Okay, okay. Okay, don't care. Can we let's get it now. Okay. I can't wait until we can do our Pokemon Lab. I'm shrunk it down into this little person. I'm at over there. I can't move. Oh no. Oh, I think we're there. Okay. This box is printed with a Pokemon logo. It's Pokemon brand. Okay. Let's go. Ooh. Hey, it's Mom. Aiden, we're here, honey. Okay, so this is our new home. Really nice, I guess. Like, I don't. It's not that bad, but it's pretty bad. Let's go inside. Oh my God, there's new chokes in here helping us. There's Gen 1. See, Aiden, isn't it nice in here too? Yeah, it's pretty nice. Okay, so I don't care. I wasted 2 minutes already talking. Maybe I should go to set it. Oh my God, the clock is stopped. I'm not. What time is it? It's 8:50. I'm not putting it. This is boom, 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 boom. Okay. Is this the current time? Yeah, current time. Mom, Aiden, how would you like to? Don't care about my room. Cause I really don't care about my room. Okay. Ooh, PC. Let's go near it. Dad might like this program. Dot 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 dot. Better get going. So, honey. Oh, Aiden, quick, come quickly. Look, it's Dad. Okay, I just want to get my starter Pokemon. Like, oh my God, like, I want to get my starter Pokemon. I know who my rival's gonna be, I think. Bye, I'm not sitting with you. I'm just kidding, I just want to go explore. Over here. I think it's next door. Ah! Oh no! I forgot. Oh, you're Aiden. You're new next door. I don't care. Let me go to your doctor and think. Where else I could be? I don't want to move a step. Nice room. I want to get in the bed. That's not creepy at all. Okay. It's me. Dot, 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 dot. I don't care. I just want to get my soda hammer. So this is my rifle. This is my rifle. Shoot. Yay, I can move. What? Do I have? Am I following her or something? Go this way. Maybe we should go this way. No, we have to go up. Why am I so stupid? Bam. Get. Okay. I can hear someone shouting the bird down there. Why do I keep dropping my phone? Okay, cool. I'll go help him. Help me! Puccino. Hey, hello, you over there. Please help there. Please help. In my bag, there's a Pokeball. Cool. There's a Pokeball. Okay. Oh my god, I'm sorry. It does that. A chick Pokemon. Let me see what it looks like. Or a chick. Market. Oh, water type. Who should I pick? I always like five. It's like I'm gonna pick Toy Chick. The chick Pokemon. Oh, let's fight Poochyena. Level 2? Really? Oh, Turchic. Let's use Scratch. How am I supposed to Scratch? I have. Oh no, he used Tackle. Oh! That's a no damage. I don't have any arms to scratch with. Oh my god. Why is this a difficult freaking battle? Like, it's so easy. It's a 5 against a 2. Okay, so I'm just. No. Can I just, not? Oh my. So, yeah, I'm gonna get 5 Pokeballs and a Pokedex. Oh my god, dude, this is so awesome. Don't like. So, we just said I'm gonna get a Poke. Oh, I received Torchic too. I, already had him. I should have kept him. No, I don't want to give him a name. Okay. First, if you work at a Pokemon and gain experience, I think you'll make a darn good trainer. My kid may. Okay, cool. If you say no, just keep saying, come on, why don't you do it? Okay. My phone's about to die, so I'm gonna end this, when I fly in at the lap. Move, you fat guy. Wish I had better choose. Go this way. Let's go through the grass. Oh no, what is it? It's a Wurmple. Caught you and I evolved you and you suck. So I'm gonna kill you. Hopefully I can get Ember soon. Ah, Echo. How did my Pokemon get healed? Does he have a healing thing in there? Oh my god. Oh, this is 10 minutes. I'm not gonna make this an hour people. I'm gonna make this little short. I've been playing already, so I kinda know. I kinda know what happened. Oh yay! It's a freaking Pokemon. Welcome to the Pokestopper. We test this high Pokemon at full health. Would you like to rest your Pokemon? Yes. Okay, I'll take your Pokemon for a few seconds. Thank you for waiting. We restored your Pokemon to full health. Hope we can see you again. Oh my god. Are you serious? I forgot. The first game's rock, and I should have picked the mud kit. Should have. What's my turn at? It's at 21. Hey, there she is. No! It's a zigzagoon! All these goddamn zigzagoons. Let's fight it so we can get experience. Really? No, tackle! Oh, that hurt. It's dead. I should gain level. Yay, level 6. Let's go fighter. Let's see, the Pokemon found. Oh, okay. Okay. Let's have a quick battle, and she's gonna have my clip because that's my weakness. Because she's a fag. Sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I told you! This is gonna be like scratch, tackle. A critical hit!
It's your mother. Pick it up. It's mommy on the phone. Pick it up.
Really?
Don't hide from